Good morning and good afternoon to every person who's watching the video, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Bumble account. So for those people who do not know Bumble is basically a dating app which is similar to Tinder. If you guys have used Tinder in the past, you guys would know what Bumble is and you guys would find it easy to use Bumble, alright? But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into your Bumble account. So hope you guys already have a Bumble account, because if you don't, you guys can watch our video on how you guys can create a Bumble account on our channel. Now with that said, let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Now let's move on with the video. Now as you guys can see, once you download the Bumble app and you open it, there's three ways to log in. Once with your Apple ID. Now this option is only going to be shown if you guys are using Bumble on iOS. If you're not, it's going to show you Facebook and use cell phone number. If you click on use cell phone number, you need to enter your cell phone and an SMS code is going to be sent to that phone number. You need to type the code, verify that number. Once it's done, you should be able to log in into a Bumble account. If you created it using Apple ID, you click on it, you verify your Apple ID and you log in. Now, if you created your account using Facebook, you can click and continue with Facebook. So since I created my account using Facebook, I can show you guys how you guys can log in using Facebook. Click and continue with Facebook and click and continue. Now remember over here, on your Facebook app on your phone, you should be logging into your Facebook account over here. So this is my Facebook account, which has my Bumble account as well. So once you open it, what you need to do is click on open. And once I click on open, as you guys can see, you previously logged in into Bumble with Facebook. Once I click on continue, I should be able to log in into my Bumble account. I click on open and I should be able to log in into my Bumble account. That's how simple it is to log in into your Bumble account using your Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day, everybody, and peace out.